that was so
Hey guys, we're doing ASMR in histo lecture today.
But it'll still be the same. This person has some neural problems, probably, I'm guessing, from the call there. Spinal cord base, no one. So that's the drawing we had before. And what we were talking about last time as we ended was the relative organization of neurons. Okay? So this sort of odd six-pointed or sometimes four-pointed capital H-shaped structure in the middle is gray matter. So that's where most of our neuron somas will be. That's where most of our synapses are. And the surrounding area of the spinal cord is white matter. And then I'm going to use different colors to reproduce the neurons. I may not be using the same colors I used last time, so if I don't, I'm sorry. But we started off with what we call first-order sensory neurons coming into the spinal cord like this. So there'd be some kind of sensory receptor down in your skin somewhere, and that enters through what we call the dorsal root. So here's our spinal nerve.
We're learning about neurons today.
Our ventral root. And this lump is our dorsal root ganglion. The ventral root never has a ganglion. So when you see a picture of a spinal cord, if there's a ganglion on it, that's the dorsal root automatically. Okay? And those first order sensory neurons are coming in, and they're going to synapse on any of multiple possibilities. So I don't want to draw in all the possibilities. But the two that we mentioned last time were that they could synapse onto second order sensory neurons, which I'll use a red color for. So I'm going to put a multipolar neuron here, and then this would go out, and I'm just going to arbitrarily take it out to this side, and then I'm going to put an arrow to the brain. So that would be a second order sensory neuron, which is going to enter into the white matter and head up to the brain in what we called last time an ascending tract, to tell the brain what the first order neurons were. The other possibility is that that sensory neuron, and I'm going to put a branch on its axon just because I want to get a little bit lazy here. I don't want to draw more neurons in than I have to. This sensory neuron might synapse on an neuron, which would also be a motor neuron. I'm sorry, it would also be a multipolar
what you
neuron,
learned in
what I meant to
class
say.
today.
So here's another multipolar neuron, and we will take it down here, or we could take it over here, it doesn't matter, so I'm going to put a branch on it as well. So this interneuron is basically connecting our sensory neuron to the next neuron in our chain of command, which is going to be a motor neuron, which is also multipolar. I will draw that in green. Excuse me.
Thanks for watching, guys.
So this is a somatic motor.
Subscribe and like for more cool content.
Here. So this is an autonomic neuron here.
Trace him. Where's my pencil?
And as we talked about before, as these autonomic motor neurons leave, they would run